Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. This is Jacob. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to use DeepSeek R1 with Bolt.DIY. So Bolt.DIY is a AI agent that you can build full stack web applications using any LLM you want. So we're going to demo this on Kaggle. So let's create a Kaggle notebook called Bolt.DIY and then clone the Stack Bliss Labs Bolt.DIY GitHub repo. Then we have to upgrade the node because the Kaggle node version is a little bit old, so you have to upgrade it. So first just do a npm cache clean, then do a npm install node globally, and also do a node global stable install. That's it. Then you go to this Bolt.DIY folder, and also you have to install the npm, which is supported by Bolt.DIY. After that, make sure you install all the dependencies using npm and install. After that, we're gonna set up DeepSeek model list. So because we're gonna use Hyperbolic DeepSeek models, so that we have to update a couple of files in the Bolt.DIY. So Hyperbolic has DeepSeek R1.0 and DeepSeek R1 already launched. So you can try this out. They also have a $10 credit. You can use it for free and try the models. So let's go back to Kaggle Notebook. So first, we have to update the Hyperbolic provider in the Bolt.DIY. So we have to add the models that we want to test because the Bolt.DIY does not have all the Hyperbolic models. So we have to add this DeepSeek AI DeepSeek R1 model. Also, we have to add the DeepSeek AI DeepSeek V3 if you also want to test the V3 model. So make sure the max token allowed is set. And after that, you also have to update this base URL for Hyperbolic XYZ. Let's compare the difference between this file and the original Hyperbolic TypeScript. So I already added in IDX, so you can see that. So this is model we added, and also you have to update the backslash for this base URL for Hyperbolic, and that should be it. And let's go back to Kaggle Notebook. So after you update this file, then you can also add this Hyperbolic API key in the environment file, or you can add it in the UI. I'll show you a little bit later, but you can also add it in this environment file. So also make sure that the base URL is using v1 chat completions. So that's it. And after that, you can use ngrok to turn everything out. So first install pyngrok and ngrok, and also create a function to run bash command within Python. Then also get ngrok token from ngrok console. You'll register an ngrok account for free, so then get the token, paste it here. After that, you can also map this local Bolt.DIY port, which is 5173, to the public URL. So you can see this 2706 mapped to the local port 5173. And also, you have to spin up this Bolt.DIY. So just go to the Bolt.DIY folder, run a npm run dev, and that should be it. So then after everything is set up, you will see something like this. So this is 2706. This is the one that we already spin up and running right now. So basically we're testing this using the Hyperbolic. So you can see there's a lot of providers, but we're using Hyperbolic provider. And now we can see that the DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek V3 are added. And then you can start testing. So if you want to add the API key in the UI, as I mentioned earlier, you can add it in here. So just paste the API key from the Hyperbolic console and then click OK. And that should be it. Then you can start testing. We tried a create a landing page for AI company, as you can see here. It's very nicely done. And also there's a lot of the reasoning going on here. And you can see the steps. So if you see the code, they created a index.html file and also the package.json. So this is very nicely written. And also you can see that the UI is excellent. It's very good. But if you encounter issues like HTML escape, so just do it on escape. So you should be able to see a clean HTML like this. And that should be it. And let's test another one. So is 3307A prime. So this is to show you this is actually working. and let's see. So you can see this is working, right? So hopefully this is helpful, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.